That's so cool. It's doing the braking.
The car was worried at 30, and look, we're already at 28.
Oh, but he was taking sideways is the problem. When you do
No, he was talking about pitch.
Oh.
Get him!
Okay, just did it to 2, so it'll go a little faster.
Right, right. Slow your speed down. Don't hit him.
Start turning driver.
Yep, you need to go, 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 go. A little bit more now.
Just like that. Straighten it out.
Straight. Okay, right.
I still haven't touched the brake.
No. No, he's saying straight. Okay. Keep going. Now, go that way. Driver, 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 driver. You're going to go in a hole. Driver. Go straight towards that rock. You're turning.
No, I'm trying to not hit this rock.
Well, I wanted you to go straight towards that rock and then turn. Now you can do it faster. Passenger. You go second.
I'll just keep it.
You feel comfortable.
Stay straight for now. Watch that hole on your left. Stay straight. And you can, yeah, just like that. You're doing good. A little bit driver. There you go. Woohoo!
26. We got a 2 after we go off that. It's the first time you're going to gas. Do I get a bonus for not touching the brakes the whole way?
Great. Great. Pretty cool, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's like cheating.
It is, isn't it? If you don't mind parking beside that silver one.
Okay, got it.
Thank you.
No brakes, huh?
No brakes at all.
That was amazing.
I loved it. Let's do it again.
Yeah, yeah. That was fun.
No, it's my turn.
Your turn. Okay, it's her turn.
I wouldn't have imagined it.
I wouldn't have never done that by myself.
Yeah, I know. I was saying earlier, I would have not gone up that thing. Like, no, I can't do that.
And then when you see everybody else, like, okay.
They're going down. It's like, not up. Yeah, you press these buttons and set it up. And it just creep all the way down. Yeah, that's amazing.
Too much fun.
Yeah.
It's just a shame that this isn't in our backyard.
Yeah, I was impressed. We have all these buttons here. No, I took
Now I know what they do.
yeah, I took the course.
So where are you in from?
San Antonio, Texas.
San Antonio. We're from the Houston area.
All right. All right. Where'd you guys stay?
We stayed at my brother's place in Austin, actually, on the lake. So we went there last night, had dinner, and then did the drive this morning from there.
5 this morning, I guess, huh? drove up from San Antonio to Fredericksburg, spent the night, and drove in. Looking at the weather, I thought it was going to rain maybe this afternoon or something.
Right, it kept changing. It was like,
I walked out this morning, I'm like, holy moly, you know what? You know, it's better weather to learn.
better than the heat for sure.
Oh, yeah.
And the rain kept the dust down too.
Yeah, that too. Glad we got some of these, when it was slick and a little muddy and all that sort of stuff.
More challenge points.
Yeah, yeah, better classic experience. Texting my wife, just went down the mountain without brakes.
I can't wait till we go to Four Corners and you see where I did it in the Suburban. You'll be totally impressed.
Oh.